안녕하세요, Korean language learners. Camilla here. Today I'm going to answer the question, how do you say don't be sorry in Korean? You might want to use this phrase after someone apologizes to you. You'd say 미안해 하지 마세요. 더 하지 마세요 part means please don't. You can make it informal by shortening it to 하지 마. If you are saying it to a friend, you can say 미안해 하지 마. To say sorry to someone, you can say 미안해요. When you choose this expression, let us know in the comments below. Bye for now!